Hey everybody, Colin Reed here with MarineMax in Charleston, South Carolina. I'd like to show you a new model we just got in today. It's a 2025 17 Montauk from Boston Whaler. We do have it equipped in the Glacier green gel coat with white graphics. We do have a white rub rail with a stainless steel insert. Matches nicely to the ski tow bar on the back. That is powder coated in white as well. And it does go over the 115 Mercury that we have the boat equipped with. We do have it sitting on a galvanized swing tongue trailer that does come with the boat as well. Let's hop inside and check out some of the other features. So on board the 170 Montauk, at the aft, we do have the aft seating package. So both of these seats will pull out and remove along with the headrest exposing rod holders. As we move forward, helm seat here is very versatile, can face forward and aft. Currently we do have it facing aft, so we can access our Livewell that is a part of our fishing package. So as we rotate this forward, we can take a look at what we have at the helm. Nice steering wheel, 9-inch Simrad screen. We do have a gauge here for our 115 Mercury on the back. Also have our JL audio head system for our speakers. And we do have a 12-volt plug and some USB ports for any charging that you may need. As we move forward to the bow, I would like to say that we do have the bimini out deployed now, so it is providing nice shade for us, especially up in the helm area as you rotate around the boat. We do have this boat equipped with a Teak package, so you will have Teak on both sides as an entryway. Underneath, we do have nice storage, access to batteries and things of other nature. Moving forward, do have nice cooler seat storage here. Very comfortable place to sit with a nice backrest. And like I said, we do have that fishing package. So we do have rod holders and a couple of things for knives, utensils that you may need. We also have the bow comfort package on here. So these cushions will remove as well and expose nice deep storage underneath, which is also drained, so if you wanted to use it as a cooler, you could. And then underneath this hatch, we also have anchor storage, which is drained. We do have the boat equipped with the trolling motor plug as well, so it would be plug and play if you wanted to add a trolling motor to this 17 Montauk. Thanks for joining me today on this walkthrough of the 2025 17 Montauk from Boston Whaler. If you'd like to learn more about this or any other boat that we have on our lot, please feel free to contact us at 843-747-1889. As always, check us out on MarineMax.com. Once again, I'm Colin Reed. Thanks for watching.